me, Martin, and this is my mom, Andrea. Yeah. Today we're going to show you how to make this DIY flower. So let's get started.
This is our DIY project.
Yeah.
Flowers.
And once you do every flower that we do, you have to do it. You have to do it more times of each flower in different colors if you like to.
Yeah.
And then you can stick it on here.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's start.
Yeah, we're gonna show you how to
What
make
we wanna
this
use?
tulip pin.
What we wanna need first?
Oh yeah. Sorry about that. We'll need these fabrics, this size, the square ones that you can get from Dolram or Michaels.
Yeah.
And you'll need 2 large scissors. We can also need these bowls, this size.
Because of the shape, right?
Yeah, to make the circles.
And
we'll need, a pen and a pencil. Hot glue guns. So, first thing is that you'll get your sheet, draw a circle, and then cut it out. Yeah.
Right now we did it, so...
Yeah.
And then
Draw a spiral. And then cut it out with your scissors. So when you're finished, you can do...
Yeah, and cutting the edge.
Yeah, cut the edges if there's any little... So then take your spiral and now roll it up, starting from the point at where you started. Like, let me show you. And here's the spiral, see? And so, oh wait, now you just start like rolling it like this. Make sure that your spiral has this at the end, not a little like circle thingy. You'll see why we put like that little circle thingy at the end. And try to make it more like a circle shape. See the form? It's starting. See, mommy? Do you see the form?
I see the form. So beautiful,
and then,
right?
And then when you get to the circle, just leave the circle like this, guys. Leave the little circle thingy like this.
So I'm finished like that?
Yes, and now you see that the circle's facing at the ground. So then get your then after you're supposed to get your hot glue guns, pew pew, and you're supposed to glue the circle onto the bottom, and then glue the petals onto it, and then just glue it on here. And you just got, and then we gotta glue right.
Let me see. Okay, there you go.
There, see?
You got it. You nailed it.
And now for the rose, you're supposed to draw this. And then cut out it. We're already starting to. So, just cut it out, and once you're done, just wait until we're finished too. Okay? We'll do it quick. You started over here, and now roll it up. And yeah, just roll it towards the center. And make sure it can also stand up properly. Or it can
Any more?
Now we're gonna make the fluffy flower. For that, take any color that you like and cut them into 2 rectangles the same size. And then put one on top of the other, just like this, and we're gonna cut this all over the whole thing. We'll have to cut little lines like this, but not all the way to the top, almost to the top, like this. See? And do it all over until you reach the end. See?
Yeah.
And now you get this. And if you want to do this, just saying, you can do this with the petals. Just fold them a little bit down. Like this.
Yeah.
You're gonna need pom-pom.
So now we have more flowers.
Yes. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Flowers.
Yeah, we want to create our beautiful headband. Okay, we want to start with this.
Yes.
Could you please hold on?
Okay. See, we made a bunch of flowers in a bunch of colors, and we put it right here on the table to now glue them.
In the middle.
See? Put glue right under the flower and put it in order. Start with the red rose. And then start taking the pink ones. Make 2 pink ones and put them on the side of the red rose. Or any color.
let's see.
See, guys?
Okay, let's weed this one. It's okay? The blue ones?
Yeah, the blue ones. Yes. Do you like flowers?
I love it.
And
That's
we're
your
gonna-
idea, right?
Yes.
Frida. Do you know Frida Kahlo? The Mexican
Yeah.
artist. So a lot of people also call Frida
And
project.
remember this design that I told you to look at YouTube? Now put them on the end. Or
We're
you can
gonna
or you can put
here.
them on the edges if you want to, because they're pretty
Just to fill
little.
up. Yeah, exactly. I'm so excited about it.
Look.
What are you doing, boy? Wow, almost ready, almost finished. Let me see, probably here. So this is how we create our flowers headband. I'm gonna put in my
Bam.
So there you go.
See? Did you guys like it?
So for now, this is our creation.
No, I do it. I made it. I'm supposed to have it. Okay, now see me wearing it.
So big. Okay,
And yeah.
guys, we really enjoyed. Thank you for now.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Also, you can use like that, right?
Yeah. Okay. Bye.